vlogs? No.
Yeah.
Okay. Woo! Okay, now turn the camera on yourself.
We're packed in the back.
I don't know how to do that.
Okay, stop the video.
Guys, we're going to a state park.
Yes.
Woo!
We're going to.
I don't want them to kill me.
We're going to state park because today is our first day of summer vacay.
Leo has that sandy.
Oh, not peanut butter.
Good.
Where's the
Yeah.
top for
happy.
the lemonade?
Look at how much food we have. Wait, I shouldn't swear. Look at how much food we have.
Okay, we have limited French rolls and I'm reserving one for myself.
So much fruit.
French roll.
Julian,
with
how you feeling?
mustard,
Good.
cheese, lettuce, and meat.
Hold this for me. Which mustard?
That's fine.
Is the cheese bad?
Take a bite.
Vibes.
Buy that cheese.
We have mozzarella and Swiss.
Cheese
Swiss.
Yeah.
was up.
It's the wrong kind.
You know what?
What?
I'm gonna let you do this.
Yeah.
I don't want one.
Tyler, how's the weather feeling?
It's feeling great.
Yeah, baby. He caught it. So close.
Fell in the middle.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, she's spinning. Yeah.
I literally have this shirt.
Oh, that looked like
Should I put it on?
Oh.
Yeah. The resemblance is uncanny.
Yeah, billowy.
It doesn't look good with the shorts though.
Oh, are you okay?
No, it looks alright.
They start crying.
I guess.
But if you go, oh, you're good.
Oh, it's, yeah. Okay.
Cuts his hand off.
It's fine.
Oh shit. You're good.
Look at her. We're going up a tower.
It's like
Like Fortnite.
It's like I made a porta board. No, it's
kinda scary.
Wait, all the way, all the way.
It's like sketchy.
What? It's more like the towers in
Do you imagine any of these breaking?
I don't want to drop my phone. We're at the tower.
Can we see? You want to go short or tall?
I'll go short.
You guys can.
Look at all these chickens.
Went in a pool midday.
Okay, get this.
We know about you going
We
in a
should
pool.
find the nearest lake
Get this.
and go to a pool. No, Jillian, we're not hopping the fence.
Claudine, this is incriminating.
Raise your hand if you want to hop the fence.
Why does hot dogs?
Outvoted. Come on.
You were easily outvoted.
Okay, let's go.
Alright.
You can't drive
Yeah,
without
look up.
Jilly.
Guys, you can come over here and dip your feet in.
Stop hopping so fast.
Oh, I want to see the
Hold
phone.
on, I'm just gonna be his friend.
Stella.
Don't put him in the spring, Zella.
Don't put him in there.
Don't.
probably
he's not
lives
a water.
there.
He's probably not a water one. He's a land one. So cold.
They're all water ones. They're amphibians.
Look, Jillian, I found a frog. His name is
Oh,
This
cool.
fun place.
Oh
No, he's fine.
no!
Yeah, they can all swim. They all started out in the water. Oh yeah.
Oh, he's cold.
I
He's
don't know where
cold.
he went.
No, okay.
He's getting lost. He's trying to get away from the stream.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
She's not.
Here you go.
No, its skin needs to be wet, so it's fine.
No, I don't think he's that kind of boy. He's cold.
He's trying to jump
Maybe
in.
just let him do his
Just
thing.
let him do his thing, Zell. Put him back in the grass.
Oh, he's so cute.
He's like hurt.
Oh no.
He's fine. He looks
Can
fine.
I touch him?
Yeah, he's like a wet.
Let him be.
Third time I've dropped. Okay, I'm not gonna touch him anymore.
Oh my god, where'd he go?
He's right there.
There.
I think his arm
Okay,
is
let's
hurt.
just leave him alone.
I think I hurt him.
No,
I wouldn't do that.
Everyone immediately gets mad at Robert.
Bye.
Bye, boy.
Bye, buddy.
Yeah, he's okay.
You know
They're
that-
too
oh,
small to
okay.
get hurt by falling.
Okay,
Is that a
bye.
thing?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're at Jen's cabin right now, and she told us that she got the water tested for her stream, so we can drink it. So I'm gonna drink water out of a stream for the first time in my life. Well, first Zella's gonna do it.
I love vegan this up.
Is it good?
Oh, yeah.
It's really
Guys,
overexposed.
drink the water.
Wait, can you
Now Claudine is gonna do it.
Yeah.
and drink it like that?
It's kind of cold.
Oh my god.
Hold on.
Really cold. I'm gonna put my face in the water.
Hold on.
Just like get your hands.
I am literally
You're like an animal.
Just use your hands.
Why? I want to put my mouth on the water.
Your hair is crazy.
I want to do it.
Leo, what?
Look at my hair.
Your hair is crazy.
Wait, you missed it.
No, I
you
didn't.
That's so good.
Originally, like,
Yes, Julian. Oh my God.
he had a line.
We are living like early man.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, Rob. Wow.
It looks so fun.
It's so hard.
Fitness queen. We went to another pool and the pool is closed here too.
We should have just swam at the other pool.
Yeah.
That was illegal.
This is illegal too.
Being at a park.
Here.
Why not?
I'd
you guys
prefer
gonna
to hang
change?
out at like a pool than like walk around.
So you want to go find a pool that's actually open?
I don't know.
I don't think we're gonna find one.
Yo, that was scary.
Anyone got Waddy?
All right, 1,
Beep,
2,
beep.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cherry bomb.
Oh damn
No one's
it.
home.
You guys, we're gonna do a little
Hey,
bit of
good looking
ASMR right now.
dog.
So we have some pineapple, mukbang of sorts, if you will.
A mukbang.
Bring the
oh,
microphone
there's a
closer.
net.
Don't get me in the shot though. Delicious.
That was so good. Okay, I'm gonna eat some now. It's room temperature pineapple.
So good. It's
Really delicious.
And nutritious. Bring the camera. Okay, now you're trying too hard. Let me show you how a real mukbanger does it.
Oh.
That's how it's done.
So, Zella left her pants at Julian's cabin.
Oh my gosh, so bright.
Oh, oh it's because you're so white.
False.
So Zella left her pants at Julian's cabin, so they had to go back and get that. So now we're just sitting in a park eating some room temperature pineapple because this pool is also closed.
It's stupid. Like, I don't understand. Like, all the water is on.
Yeah.
They just don't want us to be in there.
Like, why would you not take the opportunity for publicity that letting us go into the
Literally,
pool
like,
would grant
why wouldn't you
them?
let famous people in?
Why would you turn away celebrities from entering your pool?
I don't get it.
So weird.
Peculiar.
I guess that's what small towns are about. They just like don't know that we're cultural icons.
Yeah. I don't know if they've been before, but the big city.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, I think that's all.
My
Bye.
fingers are wet.
Yeah.
Ew.
Ew.
Yucky.
Got that one.
Robbie.
Something's very pleasing about it.
I'm gonna get this one.
Ew, I don't.
Todd, do you want to get over here?
I want to see it.
Oh.
Dude.
This is gross. Oh my god. I've never done this in my life. Ew.
This one right here.
Oh no, Robert, don't. Oh,
There's like no pus on it. It's just like red.
If there's not a head, don't get it.
There's a head.
It's very light.
Come on, you. Okay, I got him.